Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a free trading course that could possibly change your trading life. And it certainly has done that for me. And how this came about is that we actually started trading about 20 years ago, and my wife was the one that noticed these multiple moving averages, how they identify the phase that a market is in. And from then we've gone from strength to strength because we've never had to guess where this trend is, what phase the market is in, and it has given us the advantage in the market. And what's more, we are giving this course away for free for the first 100 participants that join the course. Now, in this video that you see on your screen, I discuss the importance of trading the right currency with the right robot. So if you haven't watched this video, I certainly encourage you to do so. It is very important that you understand that link and the tools that are provided for you to help you find the correct currency for your particular robot. Now, this is so important that even on our main page, there on your screen you can see the Expert Forex main page, we actually detail which robots are most suited for which markets. And as you can see there, we've got a code that is a T and an S, T for trending, S for sideways, and we've marked all our robots accordingly. So you mustn't go and trade a sideways currency if you've bought a trending EA, and you mustn't do the opposite. If you've bought a sideways EA or robot, you mustn't go and trade a trending currency. Very important, and I think this is one of the major causes for hardship as well as a lot of success if you can master the skill of identifying market phases. Now, as you can see, this course is sold for $37 on Udemy. I'm giving this course away free. It's been done by over 5,000 clients and has one of the highest ratings in Udemy for Forex trading courses. It has 1 hour's worth of video that you can work through and master the strategies that come out of this technique. So what do multiple moving averages do? Firstly, they answer the question, what phase is the market currently in? Then it supplies some specific trading strategies, which you will learn more about in the course, which basically says if you see a consolidation or not, you straddle that. And if you see a strong trend in the market, you join that trend. And it also says use multiple time frames to judge the phase of the market as you want to trade it. And I'll go into that a little bit later. And there's a whole lot of other techniques that are mentioned in the course. Now, on your screen, you can see an example of multiple moving average charts. Basically, you can't see this price movement, but you can only see the multiple moving averages there, and they clearly identify the phases of the market. For instance, this first chart, you can clearly see that chart is in a downward phase. That one's in a downward phase, and those are in upward phases. And then you have other ones that are consolidating. There's a consolidating market. There's one also that's starting to consolidate. There's one that's consolidating. So it tells you whether the currency is trending or whether it's consolidating. And as I've mentioned earlier, if it's consolidating, you straddle the market. If it's trending, you trade with the trend. Do not trade against a strong trending market. Now, this is the weekly chart, so that gives the long-term trends that exist in the market. I've also got charts that I use on shorter time frames. Let's go and have a look at the 4-hour one. And here's the 4-hour one. It gives a slightly different perspective, and sometimes it conflicts with the longer term charts. And we actually like the conflict because, let's say the longer term charts are saying I'm trending downwards, and there's a conflict because in the short term it's going upwards. Then we know there's a trading opportunity because all you're waiting for is a trade to go downwards with the trend again. So conflict is a good thing. We actually look out for them, and they create good opportunities. But again, even on the 4-hour, you can see clear trends. You can see clear consolidations. Here's a fantastic consolidation on the US yen. Look at that consolidation. The market doesn't know which way that the price is going to go. So what you do is you straddle that and you run with the breakout. And when the breakout happens, as you can see, it happens quite strongly, really strong breakouts out of consolidations. There was the consolidation, there was the consolidation, and the breakouts happen very strongly because consolidation says the market is unsure about where it wants to go, and then the slightest bit of news will create a breakout. And that's how these charts are so valuable. Now, these charts are 16 currencies compared with each other, but you can also do that for a single currency, and I'll just show you that. And here's a single currency, that's the Aussie, and here we have the weekly chart, the daily chart, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute chart. And here you can see a great scalping opportunity. Here's a strong trend down. There's a strong trend down. That one's going down. That one's sort of going down. It's having it's making a small correction. And then on the 15-minute, you can clearly see this correction, and when the moving averages start going down, that is when you scalp and you trade with the trend, and you ride that trend until it's over. And when is a trend over? It's when those moving averages start crossing back over each other. So they provide great entries into trades, but they also provide great exits into trades. So this system has really changed my trading life considerably. It is obviously not the only system that you would use, but it is the system that provides you with the answer. What phase is the currency in? Is it trending? Has it stopped trending? Have those moving averages started crossing each other? Is it in a consolidation mode? And then you use your other techniques for entering those trades, like the straddle technique or support and resistance, or whatever technique you would like to use. In this particular case, I might draw a non-horizontal support line over there, and when it breaks that, I would certainly go in with a sell. So the question is now, where can you get this course for free? And it is in our free forum. The link is on your screen, our free forum. You can, if you're not a member of the forum, you can join it. There are over 100 trading tools and courses that could only improve your trading, and they are all free on this particular forum. So go on down to the forum, download this course, go and do it, and then look at the other courses that are available and the other instruments, the trading indicators and EAs that are available on this forum. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope I've made you aware of a technique that can possibly change your trading life, because you are in big trouble. If you are trading a sideways robot using trending currencies, you are in big trouble. And the other way around, if you are trading trending robots with sideways currencies, you are in big trouble. So the multiple moving average will tell you what phase the market is in and which EAs are best suited for use in that type of market. So have a look at the robots we provide. As I say, they've been classified in sideways and trending phases. And also go and do this course. I highly recommend it. 5,000 people have done this course, and you could only benefit from it. From me, Alex du Plooy, cheerio.